is about value. What is value? How do we put value into our videos? Because every vlog needs a theme. So let's give this some thought and let's go to the Polaris Bridge. Okay, so when you're subscribed to a YouTube channel, why do you watch the videos? Do you watch it because you've bought into somebody's personal brand, you've watched enough of them so that you're always going to watch their stuff? Or are you watching it because they make a video that you think has some sort of value to it? Welcome to the Polaris Bridge. We're on the Polaris Bridge. So, somewhere along this bridge they've got signs that say don't jump off. I'll show you why in a second. There's Coco. There's the river. Fucking hell. Right. As Daniel Arman said, every vlog should have a theme to it. And here's the thing about that. When I first started doing this, I thought to myself that you can just make a video about your life and then that's pretty much it. And people will watch it. Well, people won't just watch it. Not really. You've got to provide videos of value. You've got to give people a reason to watch. Ultimately, if you're going to do YouTube vlogging, you've got to ask yourself, why am I watching this? Why is this good? You've got to be able to answer that question. Why is anybody going to watch your video? So that's a hell of a drop over there. People die because it's not quite deep enough. Let's continue this vlog in Blenheim. Let's go to Blenheim. Welcome to Blenheim. Let's go check out my old house, number 80 Howick Road. Man, what a dump. They got this old ute parked on the grass in the front there. What a dump that house is now. You know, they're selling something in my old house because there's a sign that says open. What are they selling?
Junk.
Selling some kind of junk.
I believe so. See? Boots and all.
Boots and all. They're selling boots at my old house. I do not approve.
You do not.
My father would not approve either. You know what? Let's go to Seddon. There's a cool bridge there. So maybe the value you're doing, if you're going to vlog, maybe the value is actually doing like backpacking stuff, talking about useful information along the lines of, you know, where to go, how much it costs, what the attractions are like, that kind of thing. You know, or if you're more like vlogging in your daily life, you could instead maybe talk about things that you value in your life, you know, personality attributes, you know, how to be a good person, that type of thing. Or your value could be your technical knowledge of things, which is where your whole tech review stuff comes in. You know, you're going to do reviews on, you know, gear and products and that kind of thing. You can have value that way. Or you could do a combination of all of it. But the point that I want to try to hammer home is that if you're going to do YouTube vlogging, you really do need to have some type of value that you're offering, because your life ain't that interesting. And even if your life is that interesting, how long is it going to stay interesting for the viewer? You know, there are some people that will point to old Mr. Casey Neistat and they'll use the numbers as, you know, they'll point to a vlogger that gets big numbers and say, well, these numbers are the definition of success. These numbers are the definition of value. It's not always the case. You know, your numbers don't mean everything. Because you might have a channel with a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers, but they only watch a fraction of your videos. So how much value are you really offering? You know, and if your vlog is all about what I did this weekend, it ain't that interesting. Let's continue. We're going through Ward, then Kaikoura. Sunny Kaikoura, home for tonight. Now let's have a little talk about this whole value thing a little bit more. Okay, let's see if we can sum up here. I've had a few hours to think about it. Outside it's dark right now. You know, there are people out there that look only at the numbers rather than taking a good hard look at the quality. When I say the quality, I'm really talking about the value, about what do you really get out of it. Consider very carefully what value you can put into your videos, what value can you give to the world. It may not be a very broad appeal value. It may take you a while to figure out what type of value you're best at giving. If you don't provide value, nobody will watch your videos. And if all of this is gobbledygook and it really hasn't made any sense to you, but you've made it to the end of the video, ask yourself this one question when you're making a video. Put yourself in the audience's shoes and ask yourself, why am I watching this? If you can answer that question with a good answer, then it's a good video.